Need to edit documents on the go? MobiDocs makes it easy. Browse through handy templates or start fresh to create exactly what you need. Add and adjust text easily, formatting your document just the way you want. Looking for an easy way to organize your data? With MobiSheets, you effortlessly choose from ready-to-use spreadsheets, invoices, and more. Add data, apply formulas, and watch numbers update. Want to create eye-catching presentations? MobiSlides helps you write your text, drop in images, and give your slides a custom look. Need to handle PDFs without the hassle? MobiOffice PDF lets you work with all kinds of documents, like contracts or invoices, sign with your finger, or print directly from your phone.